Hello again. This is an extension to your project. By now you should be working on your 5 slides. And this is the PowerPoint project, how the animation gets moving. Make sure to watch the videos I've posted. And this slide, first select a subject you want to work on, ideas, a walk in the park, my future career, my life, a famous person, etc. You will need Microsoft PowerPoint or 365 PowerPoint or Google Presentations, which Google Slides works fine to complete this assignment. Here it says, now for learning how to create animation. If you're using pictures, it's hard to make them move without slide creation. Using shapes is easier, and you can make any kinds of things. I will show you how in the next few slides. Like, here's this guy, and this one says, I'm going to be a nurse when I grow up. And this one says, I like playing on my skateboard. So on this slide, I'm going to go ahead and go to this one. Oh, they've moved. See how they're moving? Now they've moved again. So you keep adding slides and they keep moving. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy and duplicate that slide. So now I can either turn him a little bit, or I can take this guy and move him over here like he passed him, and move him up. So now I go here to there, and they've moved. I still need one more duplicated slide in the middle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one over here and him here. And this one's going to be like he's going around him. So now I go from here to here, and he's past him. So I can make different things, and I have to see how it looks or what it looks like. So then, this is my character, and these are the parts that I used. And I just changed the color on that one. And then here he is again. Now I made him move again when I switched from slide to slide. This one here is a PowerPoint that kind of moves. And I'm going to play this one. And see if I can get it to play. And you see how he moves along the road. We're at the end there. And then notice that there are repeated slides. This allows you to read what the animation is talking about. Because if you keep going, you have to have time to read it. I've had over 100 slides just to make a story. I have a few samples in the PowerPoint category if you want to review them. Use your ideas and make your own slide animation project. At the end, you will include a smart art of what you did first and then your steps. So this is mine. I had to get the shapes to look like something. Then I had to create my story. I had to copy things to slide and grouping and ungrouping to make changes. Now, if you look up here where I ungrouped him, now he's got his leg back here. So here I'm going to go to Format. I'm going to go to Ungroup and click. Now I'm going to take and I'm going to make his arm go up a little bit more. And then put him back together. Now I know I have to move this out of the way so that I'd be able to get him. Oops. And I'm going to group him now again. So now I can put these back where they belong. And you have to make some changes here and there. You have to unseparate things. You have to or then regroup them and then copy them. Like this is here, like a train or a car or truck. It's not grouped. I go here and I group it in format. And now it's one. So I can move it around. If I want this slide repeated, I just click duplicate slide. And then on this one, I make him move that way. So when I go here and then there, it looks like he moved. If you have any questions, please email. I'll be putting new things up every day. Have a great night.